Welcome everybody, it's Madmick here. Welcome to the channel again. I'm riding my bike. Isn't that good? Well, there's a purpose to it. Fuel prices are just going through the roof, and my job has just changed location. I'm now 10 miles away from where I live to go to work, and I get a lot of traffic during the day. So I decided to use a bike because I think it's cost effective. Well, I know it is. I mean, 15 quid a week down to 7 quid a week, and that's before the fuel prices go up, so that's what I'm doing. Well, I hope you're liking the videos. If you've got any videos that you would like me to do, please leave me in the comment sections. I'm trying to do all the new latest Zontes stuff at the moment. And the exciting 350s come about very, very quickly. Yeah, the new 350V, the new 350X, the new 350R, and the new 350T. There's only the 350M scooter that they haven't done yet, so I'm keeping my eye out for that. And yes, they're all available for sale in China at the moment, but give them a few months when they've gone through the conformity checks for the EU, and they'll be available in our country. I'm going to past this petrol station now. I'm going to show you the fuel price. What it is, it's, what's this one say? 176.9 a litre. That's a litre. So all you European guys, different countries, 176 a litre. Wow. Sunny, innit? So yeah, so I'm going to go to work on the bike now. Start about 1 PM so I can do the videos in the morning. Yeah, I do the videos in the morning, or sometimes like this one, because it'll be a larger frame size, file size to convert it and everything. It takes all night on my computer. It's a very old computer mine is. I need to get a newish one, but I can't afford one. So yeah, when I'm doing the 1 or 2 minute video clips and stuff, I can get away with 20 minutes, half an hour doing them. But when it's a 3 GB file size like these are, then obviously it takes longer. So how is everybody doing? It's a very, very sad time at the moment. I'm not going to because I'd rant and rave if I did. I'm not going to talk about Ukraine, because I know what we're all feeling. Show a lot of love and stuff, and donate if you can to any good cause that's available in your area for them. And yeah, I'm very saddened by it all. Very saddened. I know the last 2 years through COVID and that, I got COVID a couple of times, so I've non-stop worked through COVID, and I don't know, I just get very emotional about things now. I used to be quite, you know, if I watched a film at the end and it was an emotional thing to film, I could deal with it, you know, I knew what was going on, but now I well up, start crying, you know, we're all human, and yes, that's it basically, we're all human, we should look after each other and not be at war with one another. It's bloody stupid. So that's the end of that. Right, I'm going to call this one a day, because like I say, file size, etc. There'll be a lot more bike videos coming up, because like I say, I'm using the bike every day now, well, 5 days a week or 6 days a week sometimes. I'll be using the bike. So yeah, please like, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you if you have. Really nice to have you on our journey, and I'll bring all new interesting content up as much as I can every day, at least 1 video a day. Okay, bye for now. Thank you very much for watching. You all take care now. Love you all. Bye bye now.